POV unboxing Mire's packages. Thank you so much, 999.
Ay, meron look! Wow, nice! Mata na niya. Ano? Pakita mo dito.
I like rainbows.
Hindi na kami na package. Men, hindi mo shoes. Ano yung bag? Men, shoe na pala. Daan mo siya lang ah. Oh. Si Mary. Ay, na swimsuit si Mary. Huwag sa akin, okay na. Pero kung ano, papakita mo silang swimsuit. Turn around. Turn around. Partner ko siya nga. Ito. Ay, kay Mary. And then, ay, pakita kay Mary, oh. Abi malaan, ay. Lisa, kanina ko susuka dyan. And she had also bluey jacket. Sila naman. Nalagay naman kami. And then, this one. For 50 cents dollar na. Balunan. Thank you, Ninainin. Come with. Sinidor naman yun. Nag-chat ka nito, Mers? Did you take up ang chat nito? Or is this lang? Saan ka ba lang? Ay, baw. Oh. Okay, Mary. Kaya yung mga pants na gagawin. Abi, Mers. Harvest in small packages. This one, very nice. Bluey man yun. Look, show them dito. Dito sa ano?
That's the cute. You have it at the rings.
And another one, this one. Ano ba ni Mel? Din ba Mel? Show them pala Mel. Show them the biggest chocolate in town, ha? Show them the biggest ano? This one.
The candy. I really like it.
Show them. Go, put it there. Put there. And then another one.
Tina.
Kaya Mary, kita almost na nandito na makakaano.
Tina.
Hari pa kay Mary man. Ma'am, parang tayo Mel? Ayun. It's bluey. Kami na yun. Sa karton na yun. Oh, another one.
It's my scissor. Mommy, let me see your scissor.
Oh, this one. What is this? Right. Hindi na Mel. Another thing. There's a lot of dresses here.
Mom, I can hold on.
Oh,
Mommy,
this
what's up
one
with
is
the
a
nails?
one. I like this one.
Mommy, what's up with the nails?
This brand is this. Can you see? I like it. Amel, you want to wear this one there?
I will wear it. We're wearing rainbow.
This is the shoes of Mirai.
Tina.
And another shoes with the other one. This one. Oh, this one.
Wait.
That's what is this? What dress?
Oh, it's what? This is my bottle.
Water bottle. Oh, this one also. Oh, it's Barbie. I just this. I just Barbie. For Mirai swimsuit. Now, this is Mirai swimsuit. Another one. What Amel? Oh, this is water bottle.
This one, I will share the word
This is
now.
water bottle. Sa pag tulong around. Gagaling sa school. Hindi na. May ato na Mel. Open ma'am yun. Just take it from there.
No, Mom, I think I'm
What is this?
green.
Inside the box. Inside the bar. This is the vitamins. Mary's vitamins. This one from Mary. Balino. Take out. Take out. Another one from Bubini. Oh. Thank you so much, Mary. Ay, si Mary din kakas pa ni Mary. Another shoes. What's the fight on this one? Sino fight na si Mary? Ha? May paparis. May niya kang lumutong. Ah, this one. Speedo. Oh. Oh, may speedo siya nga. Sino fight na si Mary? Ng toothpaste. Ito sa'yo mamaya? There's a lot of Barbie panties. It's a Barbie panty for Disney Princess panty. There's a lot of panties. Mas good na. This one. Partner sa Gurumelo? Partner. This one. This one. Barakuan pa rin yan. Pime. This one. This is shoes of Mary. Shoes of Mary. What?
Wow, Mommy, look.
Oh,
I
that
like
one.
shoes.
That.
I like shoes.
On this one.
Stop.
She had socks. Pagkita sila ni Amara.
Huh?
This one another also vitamin si Mary.
Times.
This one.
Oh, still so pretty. Princess.
This one. Kung sa'yo mo yan. Marami naman.
Dito daw.
Ay naman ah. Oh, this one. This one.
Mommy,
Oh, ganun eh. This one how much? $20.
Ouch.
$15. this. Yan nga. Body wash. For kids. Di ba liban ba? Di ba namin ba? Starbucks na.
It's on.
Ito panty. Ito panty. Or this panty.
Mommy, mommy, look.
Oh, dili mo sudan mo. Sudan. This is panty of Mary. Sa Barbie. Ay, kinasama kita kay Mary. Almost na lang din ano kay Mary. This one short. Yan eh. Pwede din yung bag mo, meh. Pwede ito po this one. Oh, sa kapatid ako niya. Diba? Saan ako siya? Wala yun. This one bag. Sige na. This one pa natin hinahin. Yung light. Ano yun? For Mary. Diba? Isn't it nice here? So nice.
What?
This one. This one. Where's the other ano, meh? How many cookies do you have, meh? Only one? Alam na? This one, dalawa. Wala na. Ano sila panties? This one ba? Oh, this is nice. This one the towel. Okay. Oh, tignan kami. Pwede nyo sa puti. Kaya the bag sit Mary. This is her bag. Oh, this is Mary's bag. Giving inside a lot of makeup. Hi, Mary. Pero hindi may paganito na. This is the mascara. What is this? Cream nga sunblock. And then this one. Maybelline. And then this one. What else pa na? Mary, what else pa? Ang unboxing ta.